What is 5G technology? 5G is the fifth generation of mobile network technology, designed to provide significantly faster speeds, lower latency, delays, and more capacity compared to previous generations like 4G. The G stands for generation, and each new generation brings improvements in how we communicate wirelessly. With 5G, the aim is to transform the way we live, work, and play by connecting everything from smartphones to home appliances, cars, industrial machines, and even entire cities to the internet. This is often called the Internet of Things, IoT, where everything around us is interconnected and can exchange data seamlessly. The power of 5G will enable new technologies that rely on fast, stable connections, such as self-driving cars, remote surgery, virtual reality, VR, and smart cities. Key features of 5G. 1. Blazing fast speeds. One of the biggest differences between 5G and 4G is speed. 5G can offer download speeds of up to 10 to 20 gigabits per second, which is a dramatic increase compared to the average 100 megabits per second speeds offered by 4G. To put this into perspective, downloading a high-definition HD movie, which might take minutes with 4G, could take just seconds with 5G. Streaming high-quality video content in 4K or even 8K resolution will be smoother without buffering or interruptions. For regular users, this means faster app downloads. Apps that take several seconds or even minutes to download with 4G will download almost instantly on 5G. Instant web browsing. Web pages and videos will load in the blink of an eye. Seamless video streaming. Streaming services like Netflix or YouTube will offer ultra-high-definition content without delays. In addition to entertainment, this speed will be essential for industries that need fast data transmission, like healthcare, where doctors can receive real-time imaging data to make better decisions, or construction, where engineers can access massive files or blueprints in seconds. 2. Low latency. Latency is the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another. In simpler terms, it's the delay between when you do something online, like clicking a button, and when the response happens. With 4G, latency is around 50 milliseconds, but 5G brings it down to as low as 1 millisecond. For the average user, this means instant responses in online games. When you play multiplayer games online, 5G ensures that actions happen in real time with no lag, making the gaming experience smooth. Real-time video calls. Video conferencing or video chatting will become even more fluid, with no delays in the video or audio feeds. In industries like autonomous driving, this low latency will be crucial. Self-driving cars need to process huge amounts of data from sensors, cameras, and road infrastructure in real time. With 5G, the car can communicate instantly with other vehicles, traffic lights, and road sensors, making autonomous driving safer and more efficient. 3. Higher device capacity. One of the limitations of 4G networks is that when too many people are using them at once, the network can get congested, leading to slower speeds and dropped connections. Think about a crowded stadium or a concert. On 4G, it can be difficult to get a strong signal because too many devices are competing for bandwidth. 5G can handle many more devices at once, which is essential as we move toward a world where billions of devices will be connected to the internet. 5G will be able to support up to 1 million devices per square kilometer, compared to about 4,000 devices per square kilometer with 4G. This means smart cities. Everything from streetlights, parking meters, traffic signals, and even garbage bins could be connected to the internet, making the city more efficient and responsive to citizens' needs. Home automation. Your smart home, with its connected devices like security cameras, thermostats, and refrigerators, will work faster and more efficiently on 5G. Healthcare advancements. Hospitals and healthcare providers will be able to connect more medical devices for better real-time patient monitoring and data collection. 4. Energy efficiency. 5G is also designed to be more energy efficient compared to 4G, which is important as more devices get connected. Networks will be able to put devices into low-power mode when they are not in use, extending the battery life of devices like IoT sensors and wearable devices. This means your 5G-enabled devices could last longer on a single charge compared to current devices, especially when idle or not actively transmitting data. How 5G works. 5G uses a wider range of frequencies on the radio spectrum. 4G primarily operates in lower frequency bands, below 6 GHz, but 5G taps into higher frequency bands, known as millimeter waves, 24 GHz and above. These higher frequencies can carry more data, which is why 5G can offer faster speeds. However, millimeter waves don't travel as far as lower frequency waves, which means 5G requires more small cell towers placed closer together than 4G. These towers are smaller and can be placed on things like streetlights or buildings, creating a denser network of connections. The combination of millimeter waves and small cell technology allows 5G to provide much higher speeds and capacity. Real-world applications of 5G. The real impact of 5G technology will be seen in the innovations and applications it makes possible. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars will rely heavily on 5G to communicate with other vehicles, traffic lights, road sensors, and the cloud. With real-time data exchange, cars can make instant decisions, improving safety and efficiency. Smart cities. 5G will enable cities to become smarter and more connected. Traffic systems can adjust to real-time conditions, streetlights can become more efficient, and services like waste management can be optimized using data. Healthcare. Doctors will be able to use telemedicine and perform remote surgeries using robotic tools connected over 5G. Real-time data sharing will improve patient monitoring, diagnostics, and treatment. Entertainment and gaming. 5G will transform virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality experiences by making them more responsive and immersive. Gamers will experience no-lag gaming, and content creators will be able to stream 4K or even 8K video with ease. Industry 4.0. Factories and manufacturing plants will use 5G to connect machines, tools, and robots, creating fully automated production lines that can adjust operations in real time based on data. Challenges of 5G. Despite its numerous benefits, 5G also presents some challenges. Infrastructure costs. Building the new infrastructure for 5G, such as small cell towers, is expensive. This is why widespread rollout may take several years. Limited range of high frequencies. Millimeter waves, which enable faster speeds, don't travel as far or penetrate walls as effectively as lower frequency signals. More towers need to be installed, especially in dense urban areas. Device compatibility. To access 5G networks, users need devices that are 5G capable, such as newer smartphones. Older devices will not be able to take advantage of 5G speeds. Conclusion: 5G technology is set to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world, providing faster speeds, lower latency, and greater capacity. Its impact will go beyond just better phone connections. 5G will enable new technologies, improve industries, and reshape how we live and work. From self-driving cars to smart cities and telemedicine, the potential of 5G is immense, and its full realization will continue to evolve over the coming years.